guys, welcome to week 2 of database development introduction to databases. So this week we're going to talk about the relational model and how the relational model applies to a database. So what I'll do is I'll walk you through the presentation, and then I'll show you some examples that I'll come up with, create some examples just to kind of give you paint a picture to you for this week. The other thing was recap of last week. So you should add a homework assignment, and what I'll do is I'll give you a recap of what the homework assignment is. Usually we'll review them, they'll probably be a couple weeks behind, so it gives you guys enough time to turn your assignments, because if I review it now, then there's your answers. The other thing is last week you had to install MySQL. So did anyone have any problems? Did everyone get it installed? So I know that it's an online class, but you definitely want to have that installed, because it's going to start playing an important role on your assignments as well, because you're going to have to submit your code in there and so forth. The other thing is, so there's MySQL, there is MySQL Workbench. I'm going to walk you through how to set that up. So kind of going back a little bit here, just discussing the gel account. And then once you install the MySQL account, the MySQL just has access to a database. And that when we use the MySQL Workbench, it then allows us the ability to go ahead and, allows us the ability to get ahead and connect to the database. And that's essentially what we want to do from the MySQL Workbench. So that's what I'm going to show you. And after this video, I'm going to show you how to do that today, how to connect to that, and how to see your database and so forth. That's an important role. The other thing is you want to make sure that you sign up for Slack. I send you guys an email of how to do Slack. I'm going to add you to a group that we're going to have in Slack that's going to be specific to your class. You'll definitely need to use it, because there will be some projects coming up that I'll have you guys team up, and I know it's online, and I know that it'll be a little difficult, but we'll do our best to make it happen. So there will be a group project or projects that you'll have to work on as a group, even though it's online. That's why we want to make sure that we have Slack. It's a direct access to me, and it's a direct access to all the students in the course. And I think that's pretty much it for this week, at least get started. So let's go ahead and let's see here.